How digital energy meters work. Introduction. Have you ever wondered how your electricity usage is measured? Gone are the days of spinning disks. Modern homes today largely rely on digital energy meters. These clever devices are like the silent accountants of your home's electricity, keeping track of every bit of power you use. But how exactly do they work? Let's break it down in simple terms. From analog to digital. Think of it like this: old record players used analog signals, while your smartphone uses digital ones. Traditional electricity meters were analog, they had a spinning disk and dials. Digital meters, however, use advanced electronics to get a much more precise and accurate measurement of your electricity consumption. The basics: sensing electricity. At its core, a digital meter constantly feels two main things about the electricity coming into your home: the voltage, think of it as the pressure of the electricity, and the current, the amount of electricity flowing. It uses special sensors to do this, many times a second. Speaking the computer's language, electricity in your wires is an analog signal, like a continuous wave. But computers understand digital signals, a series of ones and zeros. So, the meter has a clever component called an analog to digital converter, or ADC. This ADC takes those continuous electricity signals and turns them into digital information that the meter can process. The brains of the operation, the microcontroller. Once the electricity information is in digital form, it goes to the meter's brain, a small computer chip called a microcontroller. This microcontroller quickly crunches the numbers. It multiplies the voltage by the current to figure out your instantaneous power, how much electricity you are using at that very moment. Adding it all up, kilowatt hours. The microcontroller then continuously adds up this instantaneous power over time. This sum is your total energy consumption, usually measured in kilowatt hours, or kWh. 1 kilowatt hour is the standard unit you see on your electricity bill. Your personal energy dashboard. All this calculated data is then stored in the meter's memory. You can usually see your accumulated usage clearly displayed on a digital screen, often an LCD or LED, right on the meter itself. This makes it much easier to read than the old spinning dials. The smart connection, optional for smart meters. Many digital meters are also smart meters. This means they have an extra trick: they can talk. They can send your electricity usage data wirelessly and securely to your electricity company. This eliminates the need for someone to manually read your meter and allows for advanced features like understanding your real-time usage. Benefits for you: better control. This digital technology offers real advantages for you as a homeowner. You get much more accurate billing, meaning you only pay for what you actually use. Smart meters can even give you insights into your energy use throughout the day, helping you spot energy-hungry appliances and find ways to save money. Looking ahead, a smarter grid. Digital meters are a key part of building a smart grid, a more efficient and reliable electricity network. They help utility companies manage power better and can even enable special pricing plans where electricity costs less during off-peak hours, encouraging you to shift your energy use and save even more. Conclusion. So, a digital energy meter isn't just a fancy box on your wall. It's a sophisticated electronic device that precisely measures your home's electricity consumption, converts it into easy-to-understand data, and often even communicates directly with your utility. Understanding how it works empowers you to take better control of your energy use and potentially your electricity bill.